Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add music to GIF picture. Let's start. The first step is add the GIF picture onto the timeline. Drag the music as well if you prepared. Or you can choose the audio in the TunesKit music library like me. Then, shorten the music to match the GIF. And there is a part you can adjust the audio as you like, such as volume, pitch, fade in and fade out time, equalizer. You can click the play button to check if the effect is what you want. When you finish, you can export the video now. Let's see the final effect. That's all the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.